How to log into WeChat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store, then tap on search at the bottom right corner, then tap on the search bar. Now type WeChat, then tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now tap on WeChat and click on install. Now wait for the app to install. Now after installing the application, simply tap on open. Now simply tap on login at the bottom left corner. Now tap on country/region. Now select the country or simply search for the country. Now enter the phone number and tap on accept and continue. Now tap on password, then enter the password and simply tap on login. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.